Welcome to Arabic is on channel. If you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, pronounce Arabic, speak Arabic, this is a channel for you. Please share to anyone who wants to benefit and learn Arabic, the Arabic alphabet, and Arabic in general. Today's lesson is going to be the 24th letter in the Arabic alphabet, made easy, quick, fast, and easy. Learning of Arabic, this is harf al-Meem, letter Meem. This is how we write it in the beginning, middle, and end. Meem, it's called Meem. Meem, Meem. This is equivalent to letter M in English, and now we're writing it the way we write it in the beginning of the word, and we're putting the short vowels فتحة ضم كسرة and مد بالألف مد بالواو مد بالياء that are called long vowels. So ma, mu, mi, and ma, mu, mi, ma, mu, mi. That's how we write it with short vowels and long vowels, and that's how you read it. Alright, so let's use harf al-Meem, letter Meem, into words that we can actually use in our daily lives. So this is madrasa, masjid. Madrasa, by the way, means school. Masjid means mosque, the worshipping place of Muslims. And then we have maraq. Maraq means soup. And we have imra'ah. Imra'ah means a woman. And we have majnoon. Majnoon means crazy. So how do we pronounce it? And how do we put the vowels on it? If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer to previous videos and start from lesson 1 so you'll know and you'll catch up all the Arabic alphabet and know how to use the short vowels, long vowels, tanween, ta marbootah, and all that jazz. Alright, so I'm writing all the letters in English that are equivalent to the letters that are written right now in Arabic, and soon after I'm gonna put the vowels. As we said in previous videos, fatha, dhamma, kasra are the short vowels, and mad bil alif, mad bil waw, mad bil ya are the long vowels. And then we have ta marbootah, which is read as a T when there's a vowel on it, and it's read as a H, just like the end of Sarah. If there's no vowel in the ta marbootah, such as in the first word madrasa. So when we put the dhamma on the ta marbootah, it is madrasatu. And then when there's no vowel on it, or we've stopped at the end of the talking, it's going to be an H. So let's see. Madrasa, we put fatha sukun, fatha dhamma, madrasatu. Masjidan, we put fatha sukun kasra, and then tanween fatah, we add alif with the tanween fatah. That's how you write it in some words, not in all cases. So in this case it is read as masjidan. Then we have maraq. Maraq means soup. Maraq, fatha sukun. And then we have imra'ah, woman. We put sukun on the Meem. The alif is basically silent, and then fatha on the alif and the hamza. And then the ta marbootah is basically an H, imra'ah, woman. And then majnoonin, tanween kasr at the end of it, fatha sukun at the beginning, and there's mad bil waw in the middle. Alright, we've reached the end of the video. Please, if you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, speak Arabic for Quran reading or career or personal reasons, this is a channel for you. Please share to anyone and like.